Morning guys, welcome back in the polytunnel. Sunday, day off obviously. We just popped on a few plants that we've got left that needed doing. The rest can probably wait a week or two maybe. I'll spin you around, show you what I've done. So we've done 30 onions. These are big short onions. So we've only done 30. We've got all that, looks like grass. So I'm probably gonna bin that now, unless anybody wants it. I'm just gonna do these cauliflowers in Barcelona, because they're starting to outgrow their little cells now. So she's gonna put them on. Gonna sow some carrots today. Sweet candles. So these are the calabrese we've done the other day. Cabbages, turnips. Well, looking pretty decent to be fair. Some sprouts there, Hercules, cucumbers there. Everything's looking pretty alright. Courgettes. Peas are starting to come through now. Lettuce. Can't see any signs of anything else though. There's the rest of Amber's sunflowers. Potatoes. Getting bigger. I might take them out of here soon. We've got all this mess to tidy today. This is a mess. I'm tempted to take some of those flowers home now. I do not know. As you can see, pots and tubs everywhere. We need to go through them, sort them out. Grapevine's back into life. Absolutely budding to death. Gary's got grapes on his already, but his tunnel is quite impressively warm compared to this one. So we're going to do those 9. Amber, no. We've only got 9, so don't break them. I would have preferred 10, but it didn't all germinate. This is for the compost. So I'm not going to be getting up too much today, so we'll see what happens. I'll bring you back in a moment.
Bye bye.
Right guys, welcome back. It's another day. Kind of lost audio yesterday, so we have to start again with this clip. So what I was about to do was show you what I've been up to yesterday. So I'm going to spin the camera around and I'll give you a look. Right, I've been sorting this greenhouse out, the tomato and cucumber one. So what I have done is I've done a wire. Getting these clips off Amazon. 16 for about £4. Just slot in. So I put some stainless steel welding wire all the way across through them hooks there. So we put all the canes up, just tie them at the top. I put the cucumbers in the middle, so they're going to go straight up, and then we'll train them along this wire like so. I'm just sort of organising these canes into lengths. So this is the second greenhouse. That's the tomatoes I'm trying to bring on. Some of them are not great, but some of them are starting to recover. It's really hot in here. 31, I'd say it was warmer than that. So these are the cauliflowers, Barcelona. All of our 3 different varieties of leek. I thought they would have been a lot bigger than that by now. Cabbage, I think they're Stonehead. Calabrese, some spares there for Gary. Chives are starting to come on. Florence, they are the marigolds. Some more sunflowers and some spare onions if Gary wants them. Up here, everything's starting to come on now. Strawberries, definitely getting new life. I need to give these a spray and open a window in here. It's like ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. Yeah, some more of the herbs, parsley, dill, coriander, some more sprouts, cabbages again, Brunswick. Yeah, everything is starting to look really good. Melons, some dirty cooties. I think they're off Jimmy, not very big yet. The chilies and stuff. Peas and the corn, they look like they're really getting too hot.
Did you actually?
The turnips, some more spares. These are our giant onions at Elsewhere from Foster Seeds. Give you a little look in the polytunnel. What Emma got up to yesterday. Just hoping we don't lose audio again. I'm using the phone mic. Absolutely roasting in here as well. So, a lot more organised, a lot tidier. These are all the other seedlings we've got going. It's like a bloody nursery, isn't it? There's the onions we potted on. 30 of them there, exhibition, big onions. And the sunflowers.
It's like I'm sizzling like a sausage in here.
Garlic, it's absolutely massive now, that. Easy 2 foot. Potatoes are starting to come on nicely. Might put a little bit more soil in there, yeah, I'm not sure. Gary says I don't need to. These are all the flowers Emma did. Ton more seedlings, more flowers. Courgettes, gherkins, some turnips there. They'll be the first ones to go in the garden. Some sprouts, cucumbers, spares, grapevine. It's coming along nicely. So today I want to get a load of soil riddled. We're going to plant some sweet candles, and I'm thinking about using a gutter pipe for growing a parsnip in, a long one. See how long I can grow one in a pipe. So I'm going to have a go at that today as well, see if my pipe's long enough. Emma says it's not like, but new addition water pump. Definitely going to be using that today. So I'll bring you back in a moment, guys, and show you where else I get up to. I've done this shed. It was absolutely doing me nothing how messy it was and unorganised. I'm a bit OCD. So this is all nice and tidy now. Need to find a place for those signs or just bin them. I must tidy the cupboards with the pop and stuff in. So that's all full of tinnies. Some snacks on the other side. Oh, cooker. I forgive all the pots and everything I've washed today. Our little vegetable collection from Lidl. £4 each. We just keep getting one every now and again whenever we see them. Onion, sweet corn, broccoli, pepper, and Mr. Cauliflower. I'll try and keep them away from Emma because she keeps playing with them. But aye, that's our shed. Still could do with getting the tools and stuff organised a bit better. Right guys, welcome back. I've just spent absolute age riddling this stuff. So these are the 2 containers I'm going to use for the sweet candle. I'll get these open. I think the seats are loose inside this packet. No, that's good. Bruce we candle before for sure. Did very well with them, but they were in very sandy soil. Yeah, this is just straight soil. So hopefully I might get some good cards. I'm going to try and thin these, sew these thinly. I don't even think there's enough in that packet to do both of these. Average 250 seeds. That's them. Let's just see. I might. I probably will have. In fact, what I might just do is sprinkle them. Rather than try and get straight lines, just sprinkle them thinly. Gary said he was coming around this morning, or this afternoon. It's getting on now, and still haven't seen him yet. There we go. Didn't think that was going to work. Right. Put a glove on. Hopefully you can still see me over the top. Put a couple of gloves on. Use this again. This has already been riddled, so it's going to go through pretty easy. I'm just going to give these up. Very light colouring. Emma's at work today. Amber's still off school for the Easter holidays, which is ridiculous, 2.5 weeks. For Easter. Malcolm's having a fire. It's a bit smoky. There we go, guys. Done. Really soft. Don't want to pat it down too firm. You don't want any air in there either. So, done. Just be 1 second. This is the pipe I've got, guys. It's not a pipe, it's a gutter. The plan is to cut it in half. Join these two together to make a circle. Riddle some more soil, fill a tube. Obviously you need some sellotape or elastic bands, cable ties, anything. And I'm going to put a couple of parsnips in that. Well, 1 parsnip in there. So just a bit of crack really. See what happens. So for now guys, probably going to leave it there. This is the sort of content you like. It's been a bit quiet today. Emma not being here and not a lot going on really. So till the next one guys, me and Amber will see you later. She's just planted a pea in there, so we'll see how that goes as well.
It's like a mystery seed, so I don't know what it is.
The pea.
Malcolm thinks it's a potato.
It's not. Anyway guys, we'll see you all next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.